But the Supreme Court today asking all the doctors who are protesting on the West Bengal government. We are being joined by senior advocate Geeta Luthra, who was representing a body of doctors in the Calcutta case. So let's hear from her what exactly her contention. Ma'am, your first view on the fact that the Supreme Court has asked these protesting doctors to join duty by 5 p.m. tomorrow.
No, the court may give them 2 days. That's not very specific because what we've requested the court is first the precautions and the security should be in place before they join. See, these people are doing volunteer service and setting up camps outside. And this is only the junior doctors because they, along with the interns, had been making lots of complaints to the administration of RG Kaur and had been saying that they are feeling unsafe and insecure. Now these people are working outside as volunteers. They have no problem going back to work. Their problem is their safety, security, and justice for one of their colleagues who has died in completely unnatural circumstances as a victim, and the evidence, according to these young people, has been destroyed and tampered. So it's coming from their heart. It's a big pain. And that is why we requested the court for protection and for facilities. The court has said that there will be toilet facilities, there will be separate rooms, there will be CCTVs. The CISF, I had requested that the CISF also verify every entrant so that it's safe when they enter. It's not that anyone and everyone can enter. The court has also said that the CISF staff should be given adequate facilities, which the solicitor had pointed out.
Ma'am, but the West Bengal government has clearly said that 28 people have died because of these protests because the patients have not been attended to.
This, you see, you can't connect anything, and this is completely uncalled for, and I don't want to comment on this because these are young people. There are 1737 hospitals and nursing centers in West Bengal. Only these 200, the junior doctors were taking silent marches, which is not during duty hours. So this, what is being stated, I think seems from what I have been instructed is incorrect. And I think this is just, it should not be made. These are people serving your nation. We have to cooperate and make an environment which is conducive for them to work.
So very clearly, the senior advocate Geeta Luthra clearly saying that the doctors have been given a surety by the Supreme Court, and as well as the onus is now more on the West Bengal government to show that the facilities asking which the protesting doctors are asking are being given to. With camera person Lokendra Pandey from New Delhi, this is Kanu Sarda for India Today.